Something strange is happening in our skies. Military pilots are encountering objects that defy physics. Governments are secretly studying technology beyond human understanding. And ancient records suggest we've been visited for thousands of years. What if I told you there's undeniable proof that we're not alone? In this video, we'll reveal 10 verified facts about UFOs. And by the time we reach, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. Stay until the end. What you're about to learn comes directly from classified government documents, NASA astronauts, and scientific studies that can't be ignored. Today we will talk about the truth about UFOs, facts that will make you question reality. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. What if I told you that everything you think you know about UFOs is wrong? That governments have been lying to us for decades? That pilots, astronauts, and even military officials have witnessed things they can't explain? And that classified documents confirm we are not alone? For years, they called us conspiracy theorists. But now, the truth is coming out. In this video, we're revealing undeniable facts about UFOs, backed by declassified government files, radar data, and testimony from top officials. By the time we reach fact number 1, you'll never look at the sky the same way again. Pay close attention. Some of this will shock you. UFOs appear in ancient history. Long before flying saucers became pop culture, our ancestors recorded encounters. In the 14th century BC Egypt, Pharaoh Thutmose III documented fiery circles brighter than the sun. The Roman historian Livy wrote about phantom ships glowing in the sky in 214 BC. But the most chilling case comes from 1561 Germany, where hundreds witnessed a celestial battle between spheres, crosses, and tubes, depicted in a Nuremberg newspaper woodcut that still exists today. These weren't isolated incidents. Over 500 historical UFO accounts appear in credible texts before the Wright brothers ever flew. The Pentagon's secret UFO program. In 2017, the New York Times exposed AATIP, a $22 million Pentagon program studying UFOs. Former intelligence officer Luis Elizondo leaked that they investigated materials with extraordinary properties. One document describes a 2004 encounter where the USS Nimitz carrier group tracked a tic-tac-shaped object, descended from 80,000 feet to sea level in 0.78 seconds, impossible for known aircraft, showed no heat signature or exhaust trails, defied radar tracking with sudden 90-degree turns. The program was shut down. But insiders claim research continues under new names. Pilots risk their careers to report commercial pilot Captain Ray Bowyer was flying near the Channel Islands in 2007 when he saw two massive yellow cigar-shaped objects. Radar confirmed their presence. Over 100 passengers witnessed them. Yet when he reported it, authorities dismissed him. This pattern repeats globally. 1986. Japan Airlines Flight 1628. UFO tracked by air traffic control for 31 minutes. 2014 Chilean Navy helicopter filmed a disc ejecting strange material. Over 50% of UFO reports come from trained observers like pilots and astronauts. The common thread: witnesses are told to stay silent. UFOs tamper with nuclear facilities. Declassified documents prove UFOs have disabled nuclear weapons. At Malmstrom Air Force Base in 1967, guards saw red lights hovering as 10 Minuteman missiles simultaneously malfunctioned. Similar incidents occurred at Walker Air Force Base, 1964, RAF Bentwaters, 1980, Chernobyl, 1986. Workers reported UFOs before the disaster. Former Air Force Captain Robert Salas confirms these objects demonstrated advanced technology by remotely interfering with our most secure systems. The 1952 Washington, D.C. UFO invasion. July 19, 1952. Radar at Washington National Airport detected 7 unknown objects. Fighter jets scrambled, but the UFOs outmaneuvered them. The objects reached speeds of 7,000 miles per hour, vanished when pursued. Returned the next weekend. The Air Force held the largest press conference since World War II, blaming temperature inversions. But a secret memo later admitted, the phenomena are something real and not visionary. Scientists confirm impossible physics. NASA's 2021 UAP report analyzed characteristics that break known laws. 1. Instant acceleration, 0 to 13,000 miles per hour in 1 second. 2. Hypersonic speeds without sonic booms. 3. No visible propulsion systems. Dr. Eric Davis, a Pentagon consultant, stated, "These objects exhibited physics we can't replicate without crushing human pilots. Even Einstein's theories can't explain their movements." The Phoenix Lights, 1997. A mile-wide V-shaped craft with lights glided silently over Phoenix. The Arizona governor later admitted, "It was enormous. I'm a pilot. I know what aircraft look like." Key details. Seen across 300 miles, blocked stars as it passed. Military claimed they were flares. 3 hours later, radar showed no aircraft in the area during the main sighting. Astronauts break silence. Apollo 14's Edgar Mitchell claimed the Roswell crash was real. Gordon Cooper testified to Congress about a UFO landing at Edwards AFB. Most shocking. In 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin reportedly saw strange objects near the moon. Mission control transcripts include this exchange. Armstrong: "They're here, enormous, watching us." NASA: "Repeat last transmission." Armstrong: "I say these babies were huge." The audio was allegedly censored from public recordings. Here's a clear, engaging explanation of the 3 Pentagon UFO videos, written in a serious yet accessible tone. The 2020 Pentagon UFO videos. What they really show: in April 2020, the U.S. Department of Defense made an unprecedented move. They officially released 3 classified UFO videos, captured by Navy pilots. These weren't blurry, distant clips. They were high-tech infrared recordings from advanced military systems. Let's break down what each video reveals. FLIR, 2004. The Tic Tac UFO. FA-18 fighter jets were scrambled to intercept a 40-foot-long white oval object, nicknamed Tic Tac for its shape. The UFO had no wings, no exhaust plumes, and no visible propulsion. It accelerated instantly from a hover to over 12,000 miles per hour, far beyond human technology. Radar operators confirmed it descended from 80,000 feet to sea level in less than a second, a maneuver that would crush any known aircraft and pilot. This was the first time the Pentagon admitted the footage was real. The object's movements defy physics, and its origins remain unexplained. Gimbal, 2015. The rotating craft pilots tracked a fleet of unknown objects moving against high-altitude winds. One object rotated mid-flight while maintaining speed, a physical impossibility for human-made aircraft. The infrared camera's operator can be heard saying, "Look at that thing. It's rotating." The UFO emitted no heat signature, suggesting it wasn't using conventional propulsion. A small spherical object was filmed moving against 120-knot winds, 138 miles per hour, without slowing down. It traveled just above the ocean's surface, showing no signs of aerodynamic lift. Pilots debated whether it was a drone, until radar confirmed no known drones operate at that speed or altitude. The biggest mystery: what are they? The Pentagon's 2021 report admitted, these objects are real. They display advanced technology beyond U.S. or foreign capabilities. Out of 144 military UFO cases studied, only one was explainable. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.